In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Roblox voice data uses option showing instead of voice chat. So normally if you click on the option more and click on this option settings that you can see on the screen, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Out of these options, in order to access the voice chat option, you had to click on this option privacy and content restrictions. After that, what you had to do is simply click on this option communication. Now over here you would be able to find the option for voice chat, but right now you'll only be able to find this option for voice data uses. This is because Roblox has updated the settings. You'll no longer be able to find the option for voice chat, but you do not have to worry. If you want to enable the voice chat, you'll be able to do it within the game itself. For that, first of all, make sure the microphone access is enabled for Roblox. For that, click on the start icon that you can see at bottom. Now after you do that, what you have to do is click on the gear icon that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to your settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option privacy that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the privacy interface. If you look at left, you'll be able to see various options. What you have to do is simply click on this option microphone that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to access the settings related with microphone. Make sure this option is toggled on for allow apps to access your microphone. Also simply scroll down. Now make sure to toggle this option on for allow desktop apps to access your microphone. Now once you do that, Roblox will be able to access your microphone. So what you have to do is simply go to the Roblox application. Now go to the home interface. Now enter any experience in which voice chat is allowed. Once you do that, click on this option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll enter into that particular experience. If you want to use the voice chat, your age should be verified, so make sure your age has been verified. Now once you enter the experience, if this experience allows you to have the voice chat, you'll be able to see microphone icon over here. What you have to do is simply click on it and you'll be able to do the voice chat. So like this, you'll be able to fix your problem. So that is how you fix voice data uses option showing instead of voice chat. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.